For expressions, lists. A list-shaped for expression reads each element from an input collection, runs one expression against that element, and emits a new collection in the same sequence. The square brackets matter because they produce a tuple-shaped result first, which Terraform will usually convert automatically when the list is expected by an argument or variable type. The mechanism is transformation without changing resource addresses. The outcome is that you can reshape the data before it reaches a resource block. A list for expression can declare two temporary symbols instead of one. The first symbol is the index. The second symbol is the value. The mechanism is positional access during iteration. The outcome is that you can build names, paths, or labels that preserve list order without writing separate lookup logic. A list for expression can include an if clause after the result expression. Terraform evaluates the source collection, keeps only elements that satisfy the condition, and then emits the remaining values in order. The mechanism is inline filtering during collection construction. The outcome is that you can remove empty strings, skip disabled entries, or split one source list into narrower working lists before a resource ever sees the data. A list for expression does not multiply resources by itself. It only computes a value. The mechanism is expression evaluation inside an argument, not instance expansion at the resource block boundary. The outcome is that one resource can receive a transform list as input while its address stays singular in state. This is the beginner line that matters. For changes data shape, while count and for each change instance count and addresses. If the input is a list or a tuple, Terraform preserves that sequence in the result. If the input is a set, Terraform does not guarantee a stable human meaningful order for most element types. The mechanism is that sets are unordered collections, so a list shaped for expression built from a set can still reflect arbitrary ordering. The outcome is silent instability when you attach meaning to index positions after iterating a set. Sort first if position matters. Convert to a set at the end if order should not matter. On the submarine, contact order on the display is not the same thing as contact priority. If a sailor mistakes screen position for tactical importance, the team can act on the wrong target. A Terraform set has the same trap. If you iterate an unordered set and then trust index 0, you are assigning operational meaning to a position that was never guaranteed.